Overview of Project Integration Management and Processes. Project integration management includes the processes and activities to identify, define, combine, unify, and coordinate the various processes and project management activities within project management process groups. Project integration management is a high-level work that requires the project manager to manage interdependencies among the other knowledge areas. In the next screen, we will list the 7 processes belonging to the project integration management. Integration management deals with initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing the project. Integration management has 7 processes with common characteristics spread out to 5 project management process groups. They are: develop project charter, which is in the initiating process group; develop project management plan is in the planning process group; direct and manage project work is in the executing process group; manage project knowledge is also in the executing process group; monitor and control project work is in the monitoring and controlling process group; perform integrated change control is also in the monitoring and controlling process group; close project or phase is in the closing process group. We will discuss these 7 processes in this lesson. Integration management is the key responsibility of the project manager, whereas other knowledge areas may be managed by specialists, example cost analysis, scheduling specialist, risk management experts. The accountability of project integration management cannot be delegated or transferred. Project integration management is about ensuring that the deliverables, due dates of the product, service, or result, project life cycle, and the benefits management plan are aligned, providing a project management plan to achieve the project objectives, ensuring the creation and the use of the appropriate knowledge to and from the project as necessary, managing the performance and changes of the activities in the project management plan, making integrated decisions regarding key changes impacting the project, measuring and monitoring the project's progress and taking appropriate action to meet project objectives, collecting data on the results achieved, analyzing the data to obtain information, and communicating this information to relevant stakeholders, completing all the work of the project and formally closing each phase, contract, and the project as a whole, and managing phase transitions when necessary.